What's going on, everyone? It's Grizzly Gains back for another crypto news update for today, the 24th of March, 2025. News item number 1. Bitcoin whale dormant since 2016 moves 250 million worth of BTC after 83x gains. A large Bitcoin investor has been spotted moving $250 million worth of BTC after laying low for 8 years. Data from the blockchain analytics firm Arkham traces BTC to Coinbase, the US largest crypto exchange, where the deep-pocketed investor bought the BTC before holding onto the stash for nearly a decade. If the whale were to sell their coins, it would mark an 8,233% returns in just over 8 years. That's crazy. Wonder what he's going to do with that one. Number 2, Cathie Wood to lead El Salvador's AI education initiative. Cathie Wood, CEO of ARK Invest, will deliver an inaugural lecture for El Salvador's public AI education program, as reported by Cointelegraph. This move ties into El Salvador's pro-crypto stance under President Nayib Bukele, aiming to integrate AI and blockchain into education. This could be some excitement about Wood's involvement, given her bullish crypto outlook. Number 3, Solana ETF approves odds surge on Polymarket. Polymarket data shows high probability of a spot SOL ETF approval in 2025, fueling community optimism. Now, this is really interesting. Bullish news for Solana if they manage to get an ETF approved, and yeah, it could see the prices jump, just like when the BTC ETF was approved last year. Okay, and news item number 4. Tether nears Big 4 audit deal. Tether is in talks for a Big 4 accounting firm to audit its reserves as first stablecoin issuer. Now, CEO Paolo Ordinero comments within the last 24 hours suggest progress, with X posts highlighting a big step towards transparency and regular scrutiny. So there's always been a little bit of beef around Tether because these guys can just print more Tether, which is actually real life dollars, almost like an infinite money glitch if you like. But they always claim that their books are audited and there's enough dollars and reserves to hold the Tether that's issued. So if a Big 4 auditing firm can confirm that Tether have got the bags that they say they have, could be bullish news all in all for everybody, as we're all dependent on the stable coins like DAI, USDC, and Tether, and many other derivatives. And finally, our last news item. The CME Group expands crypto futures with SOL contracts. The Chicago Mercantile Exchange, CME Group, launched Solana futures contract on March 17th. Now, it's still trending, so that's why it's newsworthy for me at least. This institutional milestone is unrepeated in prior responses and underscores SOL's growing mainstream traction, separate from the ETF speculation with no specific update, but active discussion. Rightio, let's get into the top gainers. That's right, just the gainers today, because we've had a crazy bullish 24 hours and recovery over the weekend. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to tell you the coins that have made some noise. We're going to go top 10. Yeah, we're going to go top 10. All right then, we got Filecoin up 5.61%, Sand Token up 6.04%, Sui Token up 6.11%, Doge up 6.22%, KSM up 7.40%, Pepe up 6.78%, Solana up 8.25%, Algorand up 9.18%, WIF token, WIF, up 11.19%, and finally, Popcat up 12.67%. Great news overall, not so bearish anymore, but it's always going to be bearish when your boy Grizzly is up in the mix. I'll see you tomorrow for another update. Rah!